He's not even concerned we're on a bike.
This bird was born and I became a papa.
Hold on.
My brother and his girlfriend stumbled upon this little fuzzball in the park. Her feathers were just so scruffy, tattered. He saw that the mother bird was not around at all. I drove over to rescue this bird. I had to make sure that Meatball was okay. So I took her home. The mites were everywhere on her body, so I had to make sure that she was clean. A few days later, Meatball would cry out to me. Eating was every half an hour. This was the tool right here. These tweezers were the gift of life for this bird. Meatball recognized me as Pop. Going to happen.
High up in the sky.
She took off, darted through the trees, and I was waiting 6 hours, 8 hours, waited the next day, and she didn't come.